Hi friends, this is Sharon Taylors. Welcome to my channel. Today's my topic is how to draw shoulder and armhole in a chudidar top, or you can call it as kameez. Another meaning is kurti. Okay friends, uh, I am showing how to draw shoulder and armhole in a kameez according to back neck depth. Normally our shoulders are 14 inches, 15 inches and 16 inches friends. 14 is for small size, 15 is for medium size and 16 is for large size. We can take half of it while drafting in clothes. Example, we can take 7 for 14, 15 for 7.5 and 16 for 8. Today I am showing you medium size shoulder, that is 15. How to draw shoulder and armhole according to neck depth. So first of all I am drawing a shoulder line here and a neckline. See friend, this is my shoulder line. I am using medium size shoulder, that is 15 inches. See friends, whenever our back neck depth is 1 inch or 2 inch, 3 inch, we have to take total shoulder. Whatever you have shoulder total, you have to take that. Here my total shoulder is 15 inches. So I am taking half of it, that is 7.5. So remember friends, when you take back neck depth 1 inch, 2 inch or 3 inch, you have to put total shoulder here. Whatever your shoulder, if it is 14 inches, you take 7. If it is 16 inches, you take 8 inches. Now I am taking here 7.5 and my neck width is 3 inches. See here I am drawing my neckline for 1 inch and here for 2 inches and next for 3 inches. There is same rule for 1 inch neck depth, 2 inch neck depth and 3 inch neck depth. The changes will start when we take more than 3 inches. Okay friends, here I am taken 7.5 inch shoulder. Whenever you take armhole, you take half inch less than shoulder measurement. So here my shoulder measurement is 7.5. For armhole I am taking only 7 friends. Friends, remember that if your customer size is medium, you can take 7 inches. For some people the armhole is little big and some people the armhole is little small. While that you can take 1 inch, half inch extra or half inch less than 7 inches. You can take 6.5 for small sizes. You can take 7.5 for big sizes. It is totally depend on body measurement. Okay friends, I think you understood. Friends, see here I am taking I am marking armhole. Always mark like a box. Then you start to mark armhole. It is helpful you to draw neatly for armhole. Okay friends, see here I am drawing back armhole here. Friends, always use a French curve to draw a armhole. With this you can get perfect armhole marking. It is very useful friends. See here is my difference. My length is 1.5 inch. It is basic length for medium sizes. You without measuring you can put directly armhole curve and mark it. So friends, for front I am marking 1 inch front side of the armhole marking. For front armhole curve, here I am taking 1 inch forward and joining this line with shoulder point, and we have to mark front armhole here with a 3/4 inch of difference from back armhole. You can mark a armhole here. Friends, remember here we have to take 1 inch for 1 inch front side from the armhole line. Otherwise, it remain extra cloth in the front armhole. So you have to mark 1 inch front side. So this is the method for neck depth 1 to 3 inches. Whenever you take 1 inch, 2 inch or 3 inch, you have to mark like this only, friends. Always it comes perfect. Okay friends. Next we are going to mark an armhole and shoulder marking for 4 inch neck, friends. See here I am taking 4 inch neck depth. Friends, remember one thing, our shoulder totally depends on the depth of a back neck. The front neck depth is not calculated, friends. Whatever you put for front neck, 5 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches, it won't depends on shoulder. The shoulder depends on only back neck depth, friends. Okay friends, here I am drawing a shoulder line and a neck line. Here I am taking 7 inch only shoulder. See friends, here my total shoulder is 7.5. When I take 4 inch neck depth, I reduced my shoulder ½ inch from total shoulder. So here I have taken only 7 inch for shoulder. My neck depth is always 3 inches. My neck width is always 3 inches. Here I am marking a 4 inch neck round. When you increase 1 inch neck depth, then you have to decrease shoulder length for ½ inch. And you have to take ½ inch less than shoulder, that is 6.5 for armhole. See here I am taking 6.5 for my armhole. Take a French curve, friends. Then mark a armhole here, back armhole. For front armhole, I am taking 3/4 inch front from the armhole line. See here friends, I have taken 3/4 inch front side from the armhole line, and I have joined it from the shoulder. Now you take a French curve, friends. 3/4 with a margin of 3/4 inch from back armhole curve, you can mark a front armhole curve. See friends, this is my back armhole and this is my front. This is my 4 inch neck. I am taken 3/4 inch front side from the armhole line, friends. For 1, 2, 3 inches I have taken 1 inch front side. For 4 inches I have taken 3/4 inch. This is the difference, friends. Now we can move to 5 inch neck depth. Neck depth is 5 inch. Draw shoulder line and neckline here, friends. I am drawing here. Okay, friends. When we take 5 inch neck depth, then we have to reduce 1 inch from the total shoulder. That is, my total shoulder is 7.5. Now I am reducing it by 1 inch. That is 6.5 inches. See, friends, here my neck depth is increased by 2 inches and my shoulder is reduced by 1 inch. So here I am taking 6.5 inch shoulder, friends. Neck width is always 3 inches. For small size you can take 2.5 inches. For large size you can take 3.5 inches. For medium you take 3 inches. It is okay for them. See, mark 6 inches for armhole, less than shoulder. That is 6.5 is my shoulder and my armhole is 6 inches. See friends, here I am making a box here. Neck depth is 3 inches. My back neck is 5 inches. Draw a neckline here. Use a proper scale, friends. Whenever you use proper materials, you can mark perfectly. Here I am marking a back armhole. See, friends, how I am using my armhole curve. Okay, friends, see here. The difference is 1/3. For front, you don't take forward, friends. For front armhole, you have to mark inside the back armhole marking. Don't come forward. Only draw 3/4 inch inside from the back armhole marking for front armhole. Okay, friends, this is for 5 inch length. Next we are moving to 6 inches. Draw a shoulder line and armhole line. Draw a shoulder line, neckline. See, friends, when my neck is come for 6 inches, we have to reduce total 1.5 inch from the total shoulder. Our total shoulder is 7.5. We have to reduce 1.5 inch. That is, our shoulder will come on 6 inches. See here, I am marking my shoulder on 6 inches. My neck width is always 3 inches. Mark back neck depth 6 inches. mark a neckline. You can make your own neckline, friends, whatever you want, round, square, star neck, that is your wish. See, I am marking armhole less than my shoulder. When my shoulder is 6.5 and my armhole will be 5.5. But for my down armhole, you have to mark 6.5, not 6 inches. Friends, take 6.5 for down armhole marking. You cannot take 6 inches because it is very it will get very little cloth there. You have to put 6.5 inch. We can't decrease more than this. 6.5 is maximum. So my shoulder is 6. For my down armhole marking, I have taken here 6.5. See, friends, you can see the difference. The line is came little cross here. Here I am taken 6.5 inches, half inch extra than shoulder. And draw back armhole. And draw front armhole within the gap of half inch. See, friend, these are the differences. The one point you have to remember, when you take 6 inch shoulder, in downwards you have to take 6.5. When your neck width comes 6 inches. Okay, friends, now we move on to our next neck depth. When we take our neck depth in 7 inches, mark a shoulder line and neckline here for 7 inch neck depth. For 7 inch neck depth, I am reducing total 2 inches from the total shoulder. See here, my total shoulder is 7.5. I am reducing 2 inches. Then my shoulder is 5.5 inch. My neck width is 3 inches. Neck depth is 7 inches. Draw neckline here. When you take 5.5 inch shoulder, you can take 5 inch armhole or you can take 5.5 inch. It depends on the body measurement, friends. You get total armhole on 5 inch, you can take 5 inch. If you are not getting total armhole in 5 inch, you can extend half inch for armhole. You can take 5.5 inch also here. Now I am taking 5 inch here. For down armhole marking, I am taking 6.5 only, friends. For in shoulder, I have taken 5.5. For down armhole, I have taken 6.5, friends. We cannot mark less than 6.5, so I have taken 6.5 here. I have drawn back armhole and front armhole. Here is my length is 6.5, friends. Please remember it. Okay, friends. When you take 7 inch neck depth, this is the formula we have to draw. Friends, when your neck depth is increased, 8 inches, 9 inches, 10 inches, 11 inches. Whatever you take more than 7 inches, you have to use this formula only, friends. This is the final formula. Whatever your neck increases from 7 inches, you have to use this formula only. You cannot decrease shoulder and armhole more than this. This is the final decreasing point, friends. I think you understood this. See this video 2 to 3 times, friends. Then you understand what is the calculation, friends. Okay, friends. We see from first what we may have marked. First we have taken 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch neck depth. Then we have taken total 7.5 inch shoulder, 7 inch armhole, and we have came 1 inch forward from the armhole line. For 4 inch neck depth, we have reduced half inch shoulder from the total shoulder. We have taken 6.5 inch armhole, and we came forward from the armhole line for 3/4 inch. Then for 5 inches, we reduced total 1.5 inch shoulder here. Sorry, friends, 1 inch shoulder here, and we didn't came forward in front side from the armhole. We drawed inside the that box, friends, back and armhole lines. For 6 inch necks, we taken 6 inch shoulder, friends, reduced 1.5 inch from the total shoulder, and for down armhole marking, we have taken 6.5 inch, friends. We are not taken 6 inch from down. We increased half inch from the shoulder line. Then we marked back and front armhole. For 7 inch neck depth, we reduced total 2 inches from the total shoulder, and we have taken 5.5 inch shoulder. For down, we have taken 6.5 inch, and we marked back and front armhole. For more than 7 inches, 8 inch, 9 inch, 10 inch, 11 inch, whatever it may be, when your neck depth increases, you have to use this formula only, friends. This is the final one. We can't decrease shoulder more than 5.5 inches. Okay, friends, I think you understood this. Friends, you are not able to understand English, friends, you can see this same video in 4 other languages, that are Hindi, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, in my channel. You can go and search and see that. Okay, friends, thank you for watching. Bye.